Hello guys, today we are going to analyze USDCAD for entire this week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So as you guys can see, this is the structure in the daily time frame, and obviously we are in an uptrend. So in this case, we have a scenario that we just want to say that probably we're just going to see that price will come down because of some reasons, and what's just going to do. So in this case, we just tap into this supply zone here in the daily time frame, and probably price will come down to fill this gap here. And if we be lucky, we just will see that price also tap into this hidden daily demand zone, and we're just gonna see some kind of reaction here. So if we break this low here, we have the change of character in the daily time frame. So price will continue to come down to sweep this swing liquidity, and also we sweep this equal low liquidity too. Our price will continue to come down to this level of price to sweep this swing liquidity. So let's say after we break this low here, we will see that price will come to this level of price. This is the first target for us. Or if we would lucky, price also will come into this gap here. Price will touch the 50% of this gap. After that, we're just going to see that price will go up, or in other case, we will see that price also fill the gap and tap into this demand zone. In this case, if price tap into this demand zone, we can go for a really good long trade, because let's say we just did the swing structure, something like this, and after that, price need to take a breeze to create a substructure. So that's the reason we will see the good. Actually, that's the reason we can open a good long trade. So in other case, maybe we will see some kind of that price will go up, reject this supply zone here, and price will continue to come up to sweep this swing liquidity here. But I don't think so. But let's just keep it in your mind, and maybe you will see some kind of like these things. Maybe we just gonna have the trading range in the daily time frame, but I don't think so. Maybe we see something like this in the daily time frame. I just want to tell you all the scenarios that we're just gonna have in the USDCAD. So right now, let's go in a 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, in a 4-hour time frame, we just did change of character here. So price continue down to tap into this demand zone. Price didn't respect to this demand zone, and also this one here. But as you guys can see, price just come down rapidly, and at last price respect to this demand zone here, and price just start to go up really slowly with time divergence, reject this supply zone here, and you guys can see that we just respect to this supply zone here in the 4-hour time frame. So we also engulf this supply zone, and the reason is that this shadow here, because we just did sweeping the liquidity above this shadow. In the 4-hour time frame, as I told you, maybe we see that price will come down to sweep this equal low liquidity and come down until this demand zone here. But you need to be careful because we have the equal low liquidity here too. So this is the first case that we have in a 4-hour time frame. Or also price can come down here, again create the equal low liquidity, and after that go up, or we will see some kind of something like this. And after that, you can go for a short trade here if you see any good entry point in the lower time frame, actually in a 1-hour time frame. And be careful, this is the last price that we have in the market, so we don't have any data before this shadow here, so we don't know what's going to happen after we, for example, break this one or sweep the swing liquidity here. So you just need to set your stop loss above this swing liquidity, because maybe you will see that you will see the entry points here. For example, in a 1-hour time frame, you find a good supply zone, and you say, okay, you will open the short position here. Don't set your stop loss above this supply zone in the 1-hour time frame. set your stop loss above this swing liquidity. Just set your stop loss above the swing liquidity. Maybe you see that price just sweep the liquidity with a shadow, and after that start to going down. So, and also if we break this low here, we confirm that we are in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. So right now let's go in the 1-hour time frame to see more details. So as you guys can see, let's go in the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we are in uptrend. In the 4-hour time frame, we just did change of character here, and if we go in a 1-hour time frame, we see that we are in a uptrend. We did change of character, we break the structure, we break the structure, and if we again break this structure, we confirm that we are still in an uptrend in the 1-hour time frame. So probably price will tap into this supply zone. We create a new high, and probably we're just gonna see that price just sweep this liquidity, sweep this swing liquidity here with a shadow, and after that we see that price is coming down. So this is the first concept that we have in a 1-hour time frame, or we will see just that price just tap into this demand zone. We fill this gap, and if we see any good entry point, we can go for a long trade, and this is another scenario. Or we will see that price reject this one, so in this case we have the change of character here, and price will continue to come down, for example, until we just touch this doji candle here, doji candle here, or price can continue come down to this dimension or this one. And if you see any good entry points here or here, you can go for a long trade, but it's better to take a short. And yeah, the things, I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great rest of the day.